Our next example under general training, task 1, is going to be a letter giving feedback or suggestion. Okay, so let me read out the question for you. You have recently come back from an overseas holiday. An employee at the airport helped you when you were in trouble. Write a letter to the airport manager. So what are the things you're going to mention? You're going to describe your problem. You're going to say how the employee helped you. And you're going to definitely ask or request the manager to reward or pass your appreciation or your applause to the particular employee. Okay? Let's begin with the as usual salutation. Then you're going to give your introduction again. Introduce yourself. Then comes the purpose. Mention your issue in detail. Appreciate the person. And request whatever you want to go, and then go with your subscription, yours sincerely or yours truly, yours faithfully, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to read out the example for you as we check on with the things to be kept in mind when you write a letter where you give feedback or suggestions or advice or seeking the same. Dear sir, I am Raghu. I am writing this letter to share a memorable experience I had at the Heathrow airport last month. The purpose, okay? Now, issue in detail. I went to London by flight number BA4459 on 25th of January this year. After landing at the airport, my bag didn't come out of the luggage counter onto the conveyor belt. I was really shocked as the bag was full of valuables. However, to my better fortunes, Mr. Alex Matthew, who was in charge of the luggage section, immediately came to my rescue. He took the description of the bag and started tracing it. His quick efforts became successful, and I got my bag within 20 minutes of complaining. So I have mentioned the issue in detail. Next, I'm going to appreciate or give my credits to the person. I give full credit to Mr. Alex for resolving my problem. Had he not been prompt in attending to my complaint, I would not have got my bag. I did offer him some cash reward, but he politely denied it. This incident has given rise to an idea in my mind that wouldn't it be inspiring for the airport staff to be rewarded for such good work by the management? So you've appreciated him. You've also mentioned that you wanted to give him some reward which he refused to take. So you're requesting the management to appreciate him. I request you to reciprocate his good behavior with some kind of a reward so that he keeps serving the travelers better. Of course, you will not expect a reply here, so that's your subscription. So you finish off a feedback letter, giving a feedback by introducing, writing the purpose of, mentioning the purpose of writing the letter, explaining the issue in detail, appreciating or giving the feedback, whatever you wanted to do, doing it there, and then you can also place a request if required, and that is how you close a letter when you give suggestions or feedbacks, or you seek suggestions or feedback.